Kumusta na po kayo? So today guys, we went to Trader Joe's at ito po guys yung mga ilang napamili po namin. So yung iba dito guys ay dadali namin for camping. So start natin dito guys sa barbecue teriyaki chicken. Ayan siya guys, masarap lasa nito guys. So usually in-air fryer lang po namin. And then itong Middle Eastern style na kebabs. Ayan, seasoned beef patties. And then, itong Japanese rice, guys. Ayan. Japanese style fried rice. And then, meron din tayong vegetable fried rice. And, meron din tayong jasmine rice. So, ayan guys. So, 6 na pack po yan. Ayan. And then, ayun yung red wine ni husband. And then, bumili din kami ng grapeseed na oil. Organic black beans in can. Tomato paste. And then, meron din dyan organic tomatoes na yung fire roasted. Ayan. With organic green chilies. And then, bell pepper. Apple juice. And then, meron tayong organic na baby broccoli, watermelon. Ayan, yung arugula basil lemony salad kit, guys. Ayan, yung snack duo, PB&J. Yung ating Thai gyoza na may shrimp. And then, ito po yung romaine hearts. Ayan, ciabatta rolls. May bananas. Corn tortillas, guys. Organic wheat tortillas. And then, meron din tayong broccoli and kale slaw. So, 2 pack siya, guys. So, salad kit na to. Ito, masarap din to. Ayan, meron din tayo dyan brown eggs. So, ayan, guys, yung ilang napamili po namin today. And then, itong multi-purpose cleaner din, guys. Ayan. And bottled water po. So, ayun. Ito naman yung sa Walmart. So, meron akong kinuhang all-natural simply cranberry cocktail. So, first time namin itong itatry. And then, yung almond breeze na unsweetened original. So, yung malaki. Dark chocolate na silk almond. Yan, malaki din yan, guys. And then, ito, nakita ko lang to guys. So, coconut milk drink with nata de coco. So, nakalagay pineapple flavor. And then, hair color, guys. And then, some wipes. And ito, kumuha lang ako ng panali sa buhok. So, ayan guys, yung napamili namin sa Walmart.